Volsol is a family-owned business, and it all started a long time ago with my great-grandfather. They had a small pottery where everything was absolutely handmade, and the sales were made by the side of the road. And then the next generation started to build a small industry, started to apply some machinery, and that went from there. Ceramics is a lot about experimenting, so we are always trying new materials. We make our own clay, we make our own glazes, we make everything we can in-house to try to get a more authentic look. All the pieces have to be hand-trimmed and hand-sponged, so you can feel the hands of the people who finished it, and for us that's very important to have a human touch on it. What's special about our glazing process is that we do not use commercial glazes. We experiment with raw materials. We make a lot of investigation in terms of historical formulas of glazes, ancient glazes. We work with a lot of artists. Good quality ceramics, it's not only based on durability, but also on a timeless look. I think you gotta be in love with it when you buy it. You gotta like to use it every day, and you cannot get tired of it.